think that I'm an undercover freak? Well, not now that you're posting me all over the
way out the covers go.
My babies, you is out the covers.
Previously.
They got a fucking yoni egg on the door, girl. Look at this.
That's a yoni egg.
So when you come in here, you see the tub, you get yourself all stressed out here, right? You get it all like a Tesla. You just hook it up on the tub.
You are not no fucking undercover freak. You in the wide open shop. I'll turn into a nigga from New Orleans down here. You go wide open.
I'm out the covers. Why would you say that?
Previously.
Hold up, bring the beat back.
Listen to me, baby. Baby.
Oh, I wish I was recording it.
You are out. You are out, child.
But no, time out. I'm out the covers with you.
Goddamn.
It's Kara, but everybody call me Cookie for sure.
You ain't no goddamn Courtney.
I don't remember nobody's name. I know. You don't have I bartended from
Milk, I'm sorry.
We don't care about none of that. I'm a high level intellectual, and I'm gonna share something with you.
annoying.
When you looked at that milk, you did what they call in the psyche realm as thin slice. It's when you look at something real quick and you can make an assessment just off of your expertise. You standing right there and you were able, you didn't taste it or smell it, and you knew that it wasn't. Now, I have a reason what I think it is. There's a little black spots there that look like vanilla beans. That's one thing. And then the other thing is the color.
Yeah.
What did you see that made you say that that wasn't almond milk?
The fattening in it. I didn't even see the vanilla beans. I saw the fattening in
The
it.
color. Or the fat in the milk?
Mm-hmm. The whole milk, you can tell. Because we use actually
I see
like
it.
the real milk.
Right
so
out the
it's
titty.
low, for sure. Yeah, for sure. So it's thick.
Oh, no chow.
That's good. Zam. What's happening, baby?